What's up guys, welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt and today we're looking at another keychain. A while back I actually reviewed the CarboCage and the Key Smart. The downside about it is that you need an Allen wrench. This one you do not, so that's a big plus. But before I get into that, we are in the middle of 12 days of giveaway or 12 giveaways. I haven't picked yesterday's winner yet, but I will soon. So I'm gonna be giving this one away as well. So the only thing you have to do is subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you get notified when I upload a new video. Like this video. I'm gonna add a new one today. Share the video because it'll help me out a whole lot. And also leave a comment down below. Now yesterday I asked you guys who your main focus for Christmas is this year. This time in the category of keys, how many keys do you have on your keychain? I'm a minimalist. I have a house key, a car key, and a flash drive. And that's it. That's all I ever need. So leave a comment down below. Let me know how many keys you have on your keychain. And if you don't have keys, just leave a nice comment. But as for now, let's get into this. Now this is the Screwpop Tether. This one's only 15 bucks. The CarboCage and the Key Smart are about $20. First of all, this is very, very simple. If you're a minimalist, this is definitely a minimalist keychain for sure. But what's really cool about this is that you don't need any kind of tools. It uses all these little O-rings. Well, big O-rings, really. You can actually fit up to 24 keys on here. Now, this is actually made out of anodized aluminum, and it has a stainless steel bottle. Oh, you know what? Let me just take this off. So you take it off like so. There we go. So it's got a stainless steel keychain on it. Bam, there we go. So that's the whole thing. Okay, so I'm gonna put my my keys on here. Now, unfortunately, I have to do this number. There we go. That's the CarboCage. That's how much stuff is with that. And this is, what is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts versus like 300. That's a little cumbersome, but I will say so far it's a lot easier than all those different spacers and the screws and everything. You know, right off the bat, I can kind of see a few flaws with this one. Flaw number one is because it's like an O-ring basically, it doesn't really hold them together like tightly. The second thing that I can imagine this being a problem is because they are rubber. Now they do come with 3 more, which is good, so they're replacements. I have a feeling you're probably gonna be replacing them because for one, you're causing a lot of tension on this constantly. It's constant tension on this, and it's rubber, and you're gonna be using it a lot. This is metal. Somewhere along the line, it's gonna break. I assume it's gonna get brittle and break from just, you know, the rubber drying out. It's gonna, I have a feeling that will definitely happen with this. Now, the problem with that is you could just be out and about and maybe you know, turn around, you get out, and you're gonna go shopping, you go bloop, and then it's just at that right moment, that breaks, all your keys go flying off. That is a huge downside. I could see that being a nightmare, and then chasing all your keys down some stairs or something. Or what if you drop it in an elevator and it drops down the elevator chute? I would probably still go with the CarboCage. I love that it's carbon fiber. Again, the downside is that you need to have one of these, but once it's on, you're not gonna have to worry about it falling apart. Now, I've actually been using it every day since I've got it. I can testify that the CarboCage is really, really good. I think it goes down to personal preference. What is more important to you? Do you feel like needing a tool every once in a while? Very rarely in my case. Or do you wanna worry about this just exploding your keys everywhere? There it is, the Screwpop Tether. It's okay, it's all right. CarboCage is still the winner. Sorry, Screwpop, CarboCage still got you. Don't forget, I am gonna be giving this away, and stick around because I'm gonna be giving more away this month. Again, there is no real structure to these giveaways. I'm just kind of winging it as I go, so I may change it up a little bit, so just keep an eye on it and come back for the next video. Oh, also, I do wanna mention the last couple of giveaways that I've been doing, again, part of that is leaving a comment. You guys are leaving so many comments, and they're so awesome. I mean, I think I've had like 500 comments from yesterday's video in like the first couple hours, which is really cool. I'm not responding to all of them because there's so many, and I don't want to give anybody the wrong impression like I'm picking them as the winner, but I'm reading every one of them, and I gotta say, you guys are awesome. So much, you know, giving going on this year, which is really good to hear. I appreciate every one of you for taking the time to leave a comment, and good luck to everybody in the giveaway. I wish I had enough to give away to everybody, but I don't have those kind of sponsors yet. Eventually, that's my goal. All right, guys, so I'm gonna leave links down in the description below. Definitely go check them out. I leave it in your hands, but as for now, get out of here.